The footage you're about to see is the bridge collapsing. It has been in service for 94 years. That's a really old bridge. Some people were hoping that they would make it a walking bridge, but I guess they decided to tear it down because it was so old. So here's that footage right now. This is it used to be the Ironton Russell Bridge. They blew it up today, blew it down I guess. And this is the aftermath of the exploding. I didn't get to see it like live in person, but I watched it online today. I actually got to see it live, but not live. I just wanted to come down here and get some footage of it. I guess what they're doing is removing all the stuff that's above the water, I would assume. I'm not 100% sure what they are actually doing. I will try to get a video of the explosions and I will attach them to this video to show you guys the destruction of the bridge. And I will catch you on the flip side.